to channel Glopen. This is Agnes and this is our friend from US, Kathleen. If you name one Chinese dishes that you know, what will be it? I guess most of you would be saying Kung Pao chicken, right? So today we're going to do a bit of a foodie adventure where first, Kat and myself, we're going to visit the wet market of China and buy the ingredients, and then Kat is going to make this Kung Pao chicken by herself. Will it be successful? Let's try and find out. So today we're visiting Wutong Market. So it's called Wutong Market because it's located in the middle of Ulumitzi Road, which is right in the center of French Concession. And this market is quite famous in Shanghai as well because actually this market in 2019 and 2020, I don't remember the exact year, they did a crossover with Prada. So it's quite interesting, right? The wet market, very local and very daily, and they did with the top luxury brand. So how they did it is whenever you buy anything in the market, they wrap it with a paper with Prada logo. A lot of young people come here just for that piece of paper. So that make it very famous. And however, even after that, you can see this still is a market, like a local wet market. It's not turning into a touristic attraction. So I think that's part of why I place. So today, our main target here is to buy ingredients for Kung Pao chicken. What do you think would be the ingredients of Kung Pao chicken?
Chicken.
Of course, chicken, right? Cucumber and spring onion. So I designed for you a help card where you have the name of it, the English, the pinyin, so how you pronounce it, the use of it just for your information, and then useful phrases like how you can buy it. So do you think you want to try and buy it by yourself?
Yes.
So this is for cucumber. So.
哦，你好，一个，对不起，一个黄瓜多少钱？这里，哪一个可以吧？好了，好，谢谢。好的。
Okay, perfect.
好，那个大蒜多少钱？6块。6块啊，可以。
Perfect. Now we have, thank you, 谢谢. Now we have all the vegetables that we needed. So let's go upstairs and try by the most important one, chicken. Let's go. I think we have another wet market nearby that is also similar to this one. So I think what we are doing in Shanghai, they're trying to upgrade all the wet market, so make it cleaner. And they're trying, they also, you can see there's a little, like a bistro right over there. They're trying to attract young people here as well. So this wet market, the first floor, they are like fruits and vegetables, and this second floor mostly meat. They have the chicken thigh, and I'm not sure if they have boneless thigh. I think probably you have only full thigh. This is boneless. This one is boneless. Cool. Yes. So we have all the ingredients that we needed. I just showed you the camera probably. Do you want it? So now that we've got all the ingredients that we needed, let's go and see if we can successfully make the Kung Pao chicken. I guess the challenge has just begun.
Yes.
So now we are actually at Shanghai Embassy Hall. This is in the middle of what we call Wutong area, named after these trees. So you can see these trees are very big. They've been growing here for decades, and they have big shades, which make it very cool and chill to walk in summertime. And this whole area is also part of the former French concession. So here we can see a lot of Shanghai architecture. They are not very Shanghai, they're French style, but also they are Shanghai style because of the history of the concession and in the early decades of 90s. Let's go. 老板好。
Hello, good afternoon. I'm Selena, your today's teacher, and today we will cook some spicy food, Sichuan style kung pao chicken. And we also do a rice like jiachang style. Yeah. So, get chicken, peanuts, spicy peanuts, and some vegetables with chicken and spring onion. So first we need to cut like this size. You can hold here. Be careful.
So Kung Pao chicken, named after Qing Dynasty official Ding Baozhen, who loved spicy food, became a Sichuan classic by combining tender chicken with chilies and peanuts, a perfect balance of heat and flavor. In Chinese meals, we don't just eat dishes. A well-rounded meal always includes a staple like rice or noodles. Today, to complete the set, we will also make Yangzhou fried rice, one of the most popular fried rice styles in China. With its colorful mix of egg, ham, shrimp, and vegetables, it is flavorful, balanced, and satisfying. A perfect match for a dish like Kung Pao chicken.
So let's see. Wild cat meat, fresh meat. Wild cat meat.
I see. Okay.
In China, when we cook, we also add something in meat to make more delicious. Yeah. The first thing, cooking one. Okay. This one. Yeah. 2. Here. Here. Yeah. More massaging.
Okay.
A small salt. See? And see? The dark soy sauce make color.
Okay.
Yeah. So 2 and 2.
Now that all the ingredients for our dish are ready, let's start stir frying.
Okay, okay. Adding, yeah. And quickly, turn. Try the eggs. Yeah, in small pieces. Yeah, very good. Be careful. Until it change color. Yeah. Be careful. We keep the small fire. Okay. Hard to. with the spicy and Sichuan pepper. Okay. Big fire.
I feel like the wok is heavier than like a normal pan.
See? Yeah. Try. Wow. It's okay.
What do you think?
Delicious.
Thank you.
Not so spicy.
Yeah, I like it.
And if you want to more spicy, you can add more. Yeah, yeah. We just see the red oil and the sauce oil. Outside, inside, it's good.
Today we've made two dishes. One is Kung Pao chicken, which is a typical Sichuan style dish. It is a symphony of all different spices. We have vinegar, we have soy sauce, we have light soy sauce, chili oil, doubanjiang, pepper, Sichuan pepper, and etc. And on the other hand, we also made Yangzhou fried rice, a typical Yangzhou style dish. We have in it only one simple spice, salt. So these two dishes, both of them delicious, one rich, one simple, one full of fire, one full of calm. All of them very China. So I think basically in Chinese cooking, you can say that it's simple, but it's soul. It's complicated, but it's balanced. It's food, but it's philosophy. It's cooking, but it's China. So that's all for today's shooting. Thank you for watching, and I hope if you like it, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode.